Which mop is actually good for hardwood floors? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that, breaking down the top 5 mops that won't scratch, warp, or damage your floors while still getting them clean. Product number 1, Swiffer Power Mop. The Swiffer Power Mop caught my attention because it's everywhere, on shelves and ads and in millions of homes. At $26.94, it's affordable and comes with everything: the mop, 2 pods, cleaning solution, and batteries. If you want a grab-and-go mop that smells fresh and cleans fast, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The premix solution breaks down sticky messes without harsh chemicals, and the 5 times cleaning power claim comes from those textured scrub strips that lift grime instead of just spreading it. It's safe on finished hardwood, and the swivel head gets under furniture easily. Plus, it dries fast, no standing water to worry about. With over 50,000 bought last month, it's clearly popular for a reason. Now, some people complained about the pads being too thin or running out quickly. Here's the thing though, you're paying for convenience, not longevity. The pads aren't meant to last forever, and if you're doing deep cleans weekly, you'll need refills. Also, it's not ideal for large homes since you can't refill the solution bottle yourself. This is perfect for you if you want something quick, easy, and chemical-free for daily touch-ups. Skip this one if you hate buying disposable pads or have a big space to clean. It's great value for small apartments or busy parents. Product number 2, O-Cedar Easy Ring Spin Mop. If Swiffer's disposable pods bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. The O-Cedar Easy Ring Spin Mop is a full bucket system at $34.96, and it's all about reusable cleaning. If you want deep cleaning without chemicals and hate wringing mops by hand, this one's a game changer. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The hands-free wringer lets you squeeze out just the right amount of water. No more sopping wet mops that warp hardwood. The microfiber head uses millions of tiny fibers to trap dirt with just water, so no harsh cleaners near your floors. It's safe on hardwood, laminate, and tile. And the 360-degree triangle head reaches corners and baseboards most mops miss. Plus, the telescoping handle goes up to 48 inches, so no bending over. Now, some people complain the bucket is bulky or hard to store. Here's the thing though, yes, it takes up space, but that's the trade-off for real cleaning power. Also, the foot pedal can be stiff at first, but it loosens up after a few uses. This is perfect for you if you want a deep clean without chemicals and don't mind a little setup. Skip this one if you have very limited storage or only clean small areas. It's excellent value for families or pet owners. Product number 3, O-Cedar Rinse Clean Spin Mop. That was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for hygiene-conscious cleaners. The O-Cedar Rinse Clean Spin Mop at $49.96 has a dual tank system that keeps clean and dirty water separate, something most mops don't offer. Here's why this matters for you specifically. You're always mopping with fresh water, so you're not just spreading germs around. It removes over 99% of bacteria with just water, thanks to the microfiber and mechanical action. The foot pedal spins out excess water, so your floors dry fast and stay safe. It's safe on hardwood and saves money long-term, up to 4 times cheaper than disposable mops. Plus, the mop head is machine washable. Now, some people complained it's pricey up front, or the bucket feels flimsy. Here's the thing though. The cost evens out after a few months of not buying refills, and while the plastic isn't heavy-duty, it's lightweight and functional. This is perfect for you if you want hospital-level clean without chemicals and hate reusing dirty water. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or only clean occasionally. It's a smart investment for large homes or allergy sufferers. Product number 4, Exigo Microfiber Spray Mop. If you like the Swiffer but hate the recurring cost, this next one is a budget-friendly alternative. The Exigo Microfiber Spray Mop at just $17.97 gives you spray functionality with reusable pads, and it's compatible with Swiffer Power Mop refills. Here's why this matters for you specifically. You get the convenience of a spray mop without being locked into expensive brand name pads. The 360-degree swivel head reaches tight spaces, and the refillable bottle lets you use your own cleaner or just water. It comes with 3 machine washable microfiber pads, so you're set for months. At under $20, it's one of the cheapest ways to get a decent spray mop. Now, some people complain the spray mechanism clogs or the handle feels flimsy. Here's the thing though, for the price, it's surprisingly solid. Just avoid thick cleaners and rinse the bottle after use. This is perfect for you if you want spray mop convenience on a budget. Skip this one if you need heavy-duty cleaning or have very large floors. It's unbeatable value for small spaces or first-time buyers. Product number 5, O-Cedar H2 Pro Flat Mop. If you want professional level cleaning at home, the O-Cedar H2 Pro Flat Mop at $44.98 is built for performance. It features a dual tank system like the Rinse Clean, but with built-in water jets and an extra wide head. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The clean water tank covers up to 650 square feet per fill, and the dirty water stays completely separate. The jets evenly saturate the pod, so you get consistent cleaning without overwetting your floors. The 15.95-inch wide head covers more ground fast, and the telescoping handle extends to 56 inches, great for tall users or reaching under low furniture. It's safe on hardwood and perfect for pet messes or daily spills. Now, some people complained it's heavy when full or the tanks are small. Here's the thing though, that's the trade-off for portability and no batteries. It's designed for quick cleanups, not marathon sessions. This is perfect for you if you want fast, hygienic cleaning with minimal effort. Skip this one if you need a deep soak mop or have mobility issues. It's premium value for busy households. So which one's best? For quick touch-ups, go Swiffer. For deep cleaning, O-Cedar Easy Ring. Want clean water every time? Rinse Clean or H2 Pro. On a budget, Exigo delivers. Each has trade-offs, but all protect your hardwood. Pick based on your space, habits, and how much you hate mopping.